Welcome to today's video. In this video, meet Zara as she shares a glimpse into her day. Along the way, you'll discover some handy vocabulary and expressions often used in daily conversations. This is a wonderful chance to sharpen your English listening and speaking skills, so stay tuned and enjoy the story. Listen carefully. Hi, I'm Zara, and I'm a university student. Let me take you through my day, from when I wake up in the morning to when I drift off to sleep at night. The first thing I do when I wake up is stretch in my warm bed. I reach for my phone to turn off the alarm and take a moment to plan the day ahead. Then it's time to get ready for class. I wash my face, brush my teeth, and pick out an outfit for the day. After that, I head to the kitchen where I grab a quick breakfast, usually a bowl of oats or a slice of toast. While eating, I chat with my younger brother about his plans for school. Once breakfast is done, I grab my bag, check that I have my laptop and notes, and head out the door. I take a short walk to the bus stop, enjoying the fresh air. At university, the campus is always buzzing with activity. Students catching up, professors hurrying to their lectures, and the sound of laughter filling the air. My classes for the day include literature, psychology, and economics. During breaks, I hang out with my friends. We talk about upcoming assignments and joke about our day. Lunch is a highlight. I usually sit with my friends in the student lounge where we eat and share stories. After classes, I head home. Once I'm back, I like to relax by listening to music or scrolling through social media. But soon, it's time to focus on my studies. I review lecture notes, work on assignments, and prepare for upcoming exams. Evenings are for unwinding. I love baking, so I often try out a new recipe in the kitchen. Dinner with my family is always a warm moment. We talk about our day and share laughs over a meal. Before bed, I wind down with a relaxing shower. Then I curl up in bed with a book or catch up on my favorite series. I text my friends goodnight, put my phone aside, and slowly drift off to sleep, ready to take on a new day. Let's learn vocabulary. Here are some useful words and phrases from Zara's story. Buzzing, full of activity or excitement. Example, the university campus was buzzing with students and events. Highlight, the best or most exciting part of something. Example, lunch with friends is the highlight of my day. Unwind, to relax after a busy period. Example, I unwind by baking or reading before bed. Drift off, to gradually fall asleep. Example, after a long day, I drift off to sleep quickly. Catch up, to reconnect or update on something. Example, I love catching up with my friends during breaks. Great work today. Every video helps you get closer to mastering English. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more engaging lessons. Keep practicing, and we'll see you in the next video.